how to tighten a drill bit in your Black+Decker cordless drill. So I'll just use this drill bit here. So what you want to do is put it in, twist towards you, and once you feel that pinch and you see this tightening screw move, what I then recommend is putting it on a flat surface like this, using this left hand to hold the chuck section, this is this section here, and using your right hand to hold the tightening screw section here. Then you want to twist this hand towards you and this hand away, and that'll nip it up and tighten it, and you shouldn't get any slipping with your drill bit or your attachment, what you're adding. So that's how easy it is to tighten your drill bit on your Black+Decker cordless drill. If you found that video helpful, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.